Alright, kindergarten, welcome back to another video. So I told you I have a special video this time instead of a story, so hopefully this goes okay. I decided to do a science lesson because when I asked you guys, what do you miss about school? A lot of you said you miss science, which is super fun. I like science too. And so we're doing it outside today. Hopefully it doesn't start raining too hard. It's spritzing a little bit, but hopefully we can stay kind of dry. So if we would have kept on coming to school a while ago, we would have started learning about the weather. All right, and so the weather is obviously just what's happening outside when we are outside, if it's raining or snowing. Another reason I thought it's good to talk about weather right now is because we've seen a lot of different weather recently. We have seen nice sunny days. I hope you guys played outside on those sunny days. We've also seen rainy days, and yesterday, I think it was yesterday, it even snowed a little bit too, which is crazy. So we've seen a lot of different kinds of weather recently. So hopefully that'll help us as we talk about weather right now. So the first thing, if you would have your books with you, which I know you don't have your books with you, so I'll try to show you some in my book. But the first page that we're going to be talking about is this one right here, and it's a little girl, and she is looking at the weather outside. So she's deciding she wants to go out and play. What should she wear? I don't know if you saw. Can you see through the window? It's definitely rainy weather for her, so she should probably wear boots and a raincoat and a jacket, that kind of thing, if she wants to go out and play on a day like that. So you look at the weather to know what you're going to wear. If it's snowing and cold, you should probably put on something that is warm and some hats and coats, maybe gloves. If it's raining, you should put on some rain boots and a raincoat, maybe a hat, all those kind of things. So let's talk about some weather, and I have a pretend thermometer. Now, a thermometer tells us what the temperature is. So a thermometer, if it's warm outside, it'll tell us how warm, and if it's cold outside, it'll tell us how cold. This is one kind of thermometer that we can use. This thermometer, the higher that the red line is, this thermometer is pretend, does not work very well, but we're going to try to use it anyway. The higher the red line is, if I can get it to move at all, the higher the red line is, the warmer it is outside. And this does not want to work for me. There we go. So the higher it is, like I just said, the warmer it is. So this says about 65 degrees. You look, and here's the red line. You look over, so it's about at 65, almost at 70 degrees. That's a pretty warm day. Maybe on a summer or a nice spring day, that's the weather. Now I'm going to show you today's temperature. I checked before I came out here, and it's a little chillier than that. It's a little over 40 degrees. My phone told me that today was 43 degrees. So maybe our thermometer would look about like that, 43 degrees. That's pretty chilly, which is why I'm wearing a coat, right? So the thermometer can tell us what degrees it is outside. And I'm going to show you how to write the degrees as well. So if you have a paper, and yes, this is a giant crayon. How cool is that? So it's 43 degrees outside today, right? So I would write the number 43, which you guys have learned up to 100, haven't you? So I hope that your numbers are going really well for you. But all this says is 43. You have to write degrees, and how we write degrees on a paper is we put a little circle behind the number. So 43 degrees is what is the temperature today. All right, so if we wanted to write on a warm summer day, maybe it's 80 degrees, we would write 80, 8 and a 0, and then a little degrees symbol right after it, just like that, 80 degrees. So our thermometer is very important, and being able to read a thermometer is really important as well. All right, now we would start by talking about a sunny day. All right, so I'm going to read to you what it says on my page, and then I'll show you the page. Okay, so it says, see the blue sky? Today is sunny. In the book, not in real life. Today is sunny. There are a few clouds in the sky, but they do not hide the sun. I will look at the thermometer to check the temperature. So here it's showing us a sunny day. You see flowers growing, you see there's some clouds in the sky, but it looks sunny. Now, if you can, see if you can read the thermometer. I don't know if it's clear or not, before I tell you what the degrees is. Did you get it? Did you see how many degrees it was? Well, if you didn't, I'll tell you. It's 80 degrees. I wrote that just before, so it's the same as what I just told you. 80 degrees on this day. That's a nice sunny summer day, which is probably why the little boy is maybe in his swimsuit and at the beach building a sand castle. That would be a really good day to go to the beach to build a sand castle. So that's on a sunny day. So if you have time, maybe you can find a sunny day picture to color. I would let you color this in your books if you were at school, but we can't do that. So hopefully we have some more sunny days soon. Today is not exactly a sunny day, and it's spritzing on us as we talk. Now I'm gonna try, just for fun, one more thing. It's a rainbow, which rainbows you kind of see on dreary, rainy days, kind of like today, when the sun comes out and you see rain and the sun make a rainbow. So this is supposed to be like a rainbow. It has all the colors, right? A lot of you know the colors of the rainbow, and I'm gonna put it in water. And the point is, I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's hope it works. We'll see. It is that the rainbow should grow up the paper towel. So I'm gonna put it in water. It's a little windy today too. Windy is a different kind of weather as well. We're gonna put it in the water and see if our rainbow grows. All right, it is working. I don't know if you can see the growing rainbow up the paper towel. Do you see it? I can't see what you can see. There, see how the rainbow's growing? It might be done growing. It's growing a little bit. Let's try this side. All right, so the rainbow did grow. That's super fun. It actually worked. That's so exciting. All right, so if you ever see a rainbow, you can remember that this isn't really how rainbows work actually at all, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of a rainbow. All right, so hopefully you learned a little bit about weather and how to read a thermometer, and I hope you have some sunny days coming up. I love you and I miss you.